Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and if this is your first time stopping by, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you'll like it, what we're doing here, and you'll be inclined to subscribe. And if you don't mind, if you leave a comment and smash that thumbs up button, we'll greatly appreciate it. But in this video, you're going to see my wife and I, we just cut all this firewood up. Some of it's pine, some of it's ash, some of it's oak, in about 20 minutes. She ran the super split, and I ran the firewood processor. I built this firewood processor. It's all out of white oak, and there's a couple guys out there that have made them. I will leave a link to the video what I modeled this one after. I saw this guy's video a couple years ago, and I've been collecting parts and pieces, and finally I was able to acquire enough conveyor to build it. It worked great. Heath from Hardworking Man also built one. He uses a samurai buzzsaw off the back of his tractor, pretty slick. He has an in-feed conveyor, buzzsaw, chops it off, goes into his wood splitter. He's got an all-wood wood splitter. Crazy big wood splitter, awesome wood splitter. I wish I could get something like that in the lumberyard here. Super splits pretty dang fast though, that kinetic splitter. Then, I can't remember the young man's name from Firewood on the Hill. He built a real nice one as well. But I wanted mine a little different. I wanted the person sitting at the wood splitter to just have to reach over and grab a log. Reach over and grab a log. And not pick up anything off the ground. So, and that's how it went. You'll see how it worked. That worked great. I'm really happy with it. So check out the end of the video, guys. Stick around and see how it goes. It might hurt you. Pretty square. 25 minutes. And it was a little less than that. I ran into the house to get a bolt or a nut that I lost. 25 minutes, 20 minutes or so. Roller conveyor worked good. We need a couple little tweaks. I lost a couple pieces that fell in there. I'd like to do something with the sawdust. We're getting a big pile of sawdust where I'm standing. But boy, that sure beats bending over. Nice little firewood processor. So, all right, guys, that'll do it. Thank you, and we'll see you at the mill next time.
Have a good one. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was fun, actually. I didn't mind doing that at all.
That'll do it, guys. We got all that done in about 20 minutes. Here's the conveyor system. The top up here is a 10-foot long, 30-inch wide roller conveyor. These are heavy-duty conveyors, too. Found these on Facebook Marketplace some time ago. Very happy with them. I ended up getting 4 10-footers, so I have a couple other projects with them, and 6 4-footers that I'm going to make some projects out of. I used the 362, the MS 362, and what I did is I just ran a pin through it, a hardened bolt, a grade 8 bolt I welded to this shaft, the square tubing, and the square tubing mounts right into a piece of square tubing that I have welded on to the roller conveyor. So let me show you around it real quick. So that's looking right up the chute. So I'm going to throw, most of these are going to be for my slabs, but I believe we're going to be able to do round logs with this with no problem as well. Super split will live down at this end. They don't roll so fast that they're going to hurt the person down here, but they get down there. There's a chain. I can move that chain. I have it marked at 16 inches right now. The entire build is made out of white oak, so it should last a very long time. That's a 4x6. 4x6 here and a 4x4 there. So I can move that chain and just slide it around to where I need it. So guys, I'm really happy. This is going to be a game changer for my slabs anyhow. We'll see. So, all right guys, take care. We'll see you at the mill next time. Or the Renewable Resource Recycling Center. Take care.